Moto family, hopefully you guys are all doing great. Coming back with another vlog because I have another package that just came in that UPS just dropped off. We're gonna go ahead and do a slight unboxing. You guys saw that my previous video was a very, very short one because it was not a major install. It was a small unwrapping because it came in like a wrapper kind of a thing instead of an actual box. It didn't come in a box, so we just unwrapped it and did what we needed to do. Installed it, and it came out pretty good. Super happy where the bike is headed so far. So I'm super stoked, super happy about that. Now, I have another package that just came in. UPS just dropped off. We got Helibars. If you guys don't know what this is, these are bars that bring any sports bike up about an inch up, an inch back. Because I don't really track this bike, as everyone knows, this bike sits pretty aggressively. When I say I'm not gonna track this bike, I'm meaning I'm not gonna go to an actual track. Not anytime soon at least, because I don't have the gear for it. Let's go on and unbox this bad boy and see what they look like. Let's go. I wanna show the this. This is dope. This paper is awesome. Here it is, guys. And there it is. As you can tell, the way they're set up, I have to find out, I'm assuming, yeah, this is the left side. This is going to be the left side of it. So this is supposed to be an inch up and an inch back. Now, the main complaint that I've heard, they slapped it on the motorcycle and they look at it and it just doesn't look like it made much of a difference. However, when you sit on the bike, apparently it does, it's a massive difference. But yeah, so I'm mentally prepared for all of that. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and head out to the garage and we're gonna do this installation. So, not sure if I wanna start at 5:40 at night, but let's give it a shot. I guess we'll start off and start doing things because I guess I have it till 9 o'clock. So, you know me, I like doing things mad late at night. So let's get this party started. See you in the garage, right with ONYX. Boom. All right, guys, and we're back. Here we are back in the garage. We're gonna go ahead and work on ONYX. So, the previous video I had mentioned that the grips were gonna have to come off. That was what I was mentioning before. So after I put them on and I got all excited about it, I told myself, they have to come off. so I kind of created double the work for myself, but that's a-okay. So apparently, yeah, from what I can see, this is gonna be a lot of work. So this, obviously this needs to come off. This triple tree, this whole piece right here needs to come up and off, so we can get to the levers, the OEM levers. So all of this needs to get unscrewed and taken off, and hopefully I don't take all night doing this, which I probably will because I'm not the best. And I always seem to run into some sort of issue where I either don't have the tools or something is missing, which I am really hoping that doesn't happen this time around. Hopefully this time it's gonna be very smooth, very easy. Yeah, we'll figure this all out. So I guess let's get to it. hopefully you guys can see this. So on my left, this guy right here is the Helibar, and here's the original that just came off the bike. So, quick comparison. This one does lean down a little bit more, if you can tell. Put this straight on, you see how this leans more in. So, just by looking at it, it looks like there won't be much of a difference, but there is, because you can see, you can actually see how much they both, this one seems to be, the Helibar seems to be straighter as to where the original kind of leans downwards a bit. So you can see the difference. You can definitely see the difference. So how much of a difference these are going to be from one to the other, we'll test it out. But I've heard nothing but good things, so let's see. All right, you guys, and we are back. Okay, so we finally finished it. Took a little bit of finessing here and there, but it wasn't really hard. Check this out. So here are the bars. So you can't really tell that they are up higher. No way, like, it's just, and it sits perfectly. Like, you look at it and you're like, I don't know, I'm not sure. But yeah. You cannot tell at all, not from the front, from the side, anywhere. Just by looking at it, nope, not at all. And they sit perfectly. So, it looks good still, no changes at all. I'm dying to test this out. So in my next video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a test ride on this thing to make sure how it feels, and hopefully everything comes out great. The most comfortable leader bike ever. That's gonna conclude my video for today. Thank you guys again for watching. ONYX says hello. She says thank you. She also says, for those of you who are subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. For those of you who are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload new content. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Give me a thumbs down if you don't. This is ONYX and Sasamoto saying peace out.